When we're in chronic physical pain, it's easy to think my body is broken. I've been there. I spent years going to the chiropractor 3 times a week. When I started yoga, I was so fearful of Malasana pose because it made me feel like my thighs were going to snap out of the hip socket like chicken bones. I remember not trusting my body, much less believing that I could be neck, hip, back pain free. It certainly didn't help that the only solution ever posed was a lifetime of chiropractic care. I am not against adjustments, but I am wholly against it as a permanent fix that I'll forever be dependent on. So Nico, my first yoga teacher and still close friend, helped me trust my body. They helped me affirm my body's strength, and within months of practicing yoga regularly, I stopped going to the chiropractor. My last adjustment was in 2011. So I'm here today to invite you to pause on the first stop on our path of possibility. I'm here to be your Nico, to be that person who dispels the hindering belief that your body is broken, too damaged, or that your health is too far gone to be restored. Here are some fascinating facts about your body. So depending on your frame, you have between 10 and 50 trillion cells. 50 trillion! Like innumerable decisions are made on behalf of your well-being every second. There is an undeniable intelligence in your body that processes and monitors, protects, and regenerates. You don't have to command your cells or to manage carbon dioxide and oxygen levels or control neurotransmitters or hormones. When you get too hot, you don't have to say, hey, body, I need you to sweat. The homeostatic systems in your body ensure that your pH, glucose, blood pressure, temperature, fluid balance, and so much more stay within normal ranges so you don't die. You're not instructing your heart to beat, your muscles to contract, your pancreas to release enzymes, your lungs to inflate, or your spleen to dispose of old or injured red blood cells. So come on, I share these tidbits about your body because I believe that the more you know all that your body does, the more you'll develop an appreciation for your first home, even when you're in pain. Your body is designed to heal, and when we condemn it, we perpetuate our suffering in it. It's impossible to reclaim your health if your beliefs affirm the opposite of your desire. So I chose to believe what Nico said, that my thighs are not going to snap. Every skeptical second that I stayed in the pose, I built strength where there was weakness. And with every second, I also built belief. Your body is your first home. It is deserving of your love because it's the only one you got. When you're in pain, while I fully understand that it's pulling your attention, try to remember all of the well-being that's happening inside. Pain is frustrating, but thank goodness we have it because it's a signal. Imagine if you touched a hot stove and didn't feel your body's alarm system. Pain is present to get our attention. It's a message that signals disharmony or danger. Furthermore, pain is always an invitation to slow down, tune in, develop awareness of that internal conversation we're having in our mental and emotional spaces. There's much to be grateful for, folks. Comfrey comes with a great deal of controversy on whether it should be consumed internally. This is fitting for today's first stop on the path of possibility because your beliefs are yours, as are your choices. You can always justify your beliefs, but that doesn't make them facts, or more importantly, helpful. The question that Comfrey and this idea that your body is broken beyond repair is this: do your beliefs, which are created by repetitive thoughts and determine your behavior, support your well-being? I invite you to spend some time reflecting on this question. When you understand that you can change your beliefs, you know the formula for creating your reality, including but not certainly limited to improving your health. Comfrey is most well known for its wound healing properties. It's a fantastic tissue regenerator. It's also called Bruisewort and Knitbone and the blood, bone, and flesh builder for a reason. It contains allantoin, which stimulates and accelerates tissue repair from injury and also is anti-inflammatory and moisturizing, but no herb just heals on the physical level. Often our most self-harming beliefs are the ones developed in childhood from traumatic events. Comfrey also helps us mend those inner wounds that separated us from the truth of who we are and what we're capable of. So ask Comfrey to be a guide while you explore the terrain of your beliefs and discover new perspectives. See you tomorrow for stop 2 on the path to possibility.